Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am treating my hair with egg mask using 2 whole eggs and olive oil. For egg hair mask, you can use yolk solely, white solely or both. It all depends on the type of hair. The egg white is expected to keep the scalp fresh and clean. It also contains some enzymes that kill bacteria, which could otherwise cause some scalp conditions. It heals damaged hair and prevents or reduces frizz. Egg yolk, on the other hand, is loaded with vitamin B complex, which is considered hair food. It conditions the hair, and when applied to the scalp, it nourishes the roots of the hair and makes it grow stronger. I do remove the white string-like thing attached to the yolk so it doesn't get stuck in my hair. It's called chalazé. Got to know that today. I then add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and beat it until it's well blended together. To apply this mask with less mess, I decided to use an improvised applicator bottle. So I used an empty soap dispenser bottle and the cover of an old conditioner bottle. This actually worked very well for me. And I'll put a link in the description to how you can make your own dispenser bottle at home, which I found on YouTube. Here's some useful information I found on Quora, on which I typed to apply yolk solely, white solely, or both. Now to the application. I start with hot oil treatment, which is one treatment I give my hair anytime I know I'll be washing it. It's now more or less like my pre-poo. So basically, I use coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. I warm it together to a temperature that my skin can tolerate, and then apply it to my hair and keep it on for at least 20 minutes with my hair covered. To control mess and prevent the egg mask from dripping while applying, I kind of make a little well in the hair before pouring, as well as massage it in while I pour the mask. It makes it easier for me. Every strand should be coated with the mask for effective treatment. If your hair is well detangled, you could comb through as well to allow each strand to be well coated. Personally, I don't use comb for this process. Application begins from roots to the ends, and I try to massage the scalp well during the process for blood circulation. After application, I cover my hair with 2 shower caps and a head cover and leave this on for at least 30 minutes. When the 30 minutes is up, I do my apple cider vinegar treatment by just spraying in a bit of apple cider vinegar, and then I cover it again and wait for at least 15 minutes before I wash my hair. The hot oil treatment and apple cider vinegar treatment are just a part of my wash day routine and are not directly related to egg hair mask application. This is just what works for me. I then rinse my hair with cool water. Please do not use hot water as it could make the egg clump in your hair. And this is what my hair looks like after rinsing. It feels soft, well moisturized, and also less frizzy compared to the video on my right, in which I used just a shampoo and normal conditioner. It is a better option to do this treatment on clean hair so that your hair can absorb the nutrients from the egg. If you are worried there could be smell in your hair after rinsing without shampooing, then you could add a couple of drops of lemon juice to the mixture before applying. You could also just wash with a conditioner or just go for the shampoo anyway. The point is, most shampoos will strip the hair of what you've added and leave the hair dry again. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.